How to replace ink cartridges on the HP DeskJet 2800, 2800E, 4200, 4200E, Ultra 4900, and Ultra 4900E printer series. Reminder: you should always replace ink cartridges that are low or out of ink with new, genuine HP ink cartridges. First, turn on the printer. Then, open the ink cartridge access door. The ink carriage automatically moves to the center of the printer. Wait until the printer is idle and silent before continuing. Lightly press down on the black ink cartridge on the right side slot to release it. Then, pull the black ink cartridge out. Remove the new black ink cartridge from its packaging, then carefully remove the plastic tape using the pull tab. Caution: don't touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzles. Handling these parts can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Hold the black ink cartridge by its sides. With the nozzles facing the printer, carefully insert it into the right side slot. The cartridge needs to be inserted at a slightly upward angle. Press in, and then push up on the cartridge until it snaps into place. Repeat the same process for the tricolored ink cartridge in the left carriage slot. When finished, close the ink cartridge access door. Printing the alignment page is always useful, as it allows the printer to align the ink cartridges and provide the best print quality. First, load new letter or A4 size genuine HP paper into the input tray. Then run the HP Smart app. Select Printer Settings. Then select Print Quality Tools. Then select Align Printheads. In the dialog box, select Print Alignment Page. An alignment page prints. Now follow the on-screen instructions to align the cartridges. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.